In this video, I'll show you how to create Phantom wallets on PC. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and content like this. Now, if you're using your PC and you want to add up Phantom wallets to your PC, what you need to do, you need to come on here to this your Google search box and type in the Chrome Web Store. Right? Once I've searched it, it will open up. You click on this Chrome Web Store, wait for it to load. You come on here and search for Phantom wallets. So I'm going to show you how you can add up the Phantom wallet here on your PC. It will be displayed amongst these other extensions, right? You click on this Phantom wallet. Once I've clicked on it, you click on this Add to Chrome. Wait for it to load. It can read and change your data on all websites. You add extension. Phantom wallet has 4 million users, right? So it's currently downloading. So I would wait for a bit to see if it is done with the downloads. So it's currently adding to Chrome right now. So I would give it some few minutes. So Phantom wallet has been added up to my Chrome. Phantom has been added to your Chrome. So this is it. If I click on this extension box, you see that Phantom wallet has been displayed amongst my Chrome extensions. So I can come on here and click create a new wallet. Yeah, you can confirm your password, confirm everything you want to confirm. So this video basically is an educational video on how you guys can add up Phantom wallet and start using Phantom wallet to trade here on your PC. If you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. I'll see you guys in the very next one.